Guess what, buds? Tango 2's are back in stock at flyhighfpv.com. Get them from me, Fly High FPV. I've got gimbals, the CNC metal gimbals. I've got the stick ends that you want. The clear shells are going to be here tomorrow. Come and get some, man. All the accessories you want. I got lanyard loop rings. I got add-on module bays. I got ELRS and tracer nanos if you want to slap one on the back. All that good shit. One place. Fly High. Check it out. This is my Tango 2. I took the clear shell, painted it with the black splatters and the green paint. I've got the CNC metal gimbals right here from Pyrodrone. And my favorite accessory is this. This is the thumb grippy. Thumb grippies makes them in 3 different styles. This is the mini mushroom. It's great for thumbers. They've also got a skinnier model for pinchers and hybrids. There's the GrandMasters and the specimen pinch sticks. Definitely check that shit out. All the upgrades you could ever need or ever want for the TBS Tango 2 in one place. Fly High.